All right, what's up, y'all? Quick little video here. Shout out to the homie. Hobo does it all on YouTube. He sent me a package. He's been working with his 3D printer lately, and he wanted to make me a little something. I told him not to tell me what it is, and he sent it in. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and check it out. Let's get it. Curious. All right. Great packaging there. So Kobos, thank you, brother. Oh. No way. That is sick. No way, bro. Thank you so much. Yo, that is so sick. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Sean. Appreciate you, homie, man. Thank you so much for this gift. Man, this if this is the beginning of what you're doing, brother, this is so awesome, man. Thank you so much for being so thoughtful. Appreciate the support, man. Go check out the homie. Hobos does it all on YouTube, man. There's a bunch of different videos of him just doing different things, man. Thank you so much, homie. Awesome, man. Boom. Look at the detail on this. That is so sick. Oh man. I'm not even gonna try to paint it. I'm gonna have to find somebody else to like legit paint this, man. I don't want to mess this up. Damn, that's so dope, man. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Hell yeah, that's dope. Hell yeah. GG's, y'all.